In daily life, we often encounter problems related to oil stain cleaning, such as oil and carbon buildup on auto parts. These stains are troublesome and difficult to remove. For precision components, it's also important to avoid damaging the parts during cleaning. So how can we clean off these oil stains effectively? In this video, we use a 500 watts 15 MJ pulsed laser cleaning machine to clean the oil stains and partial carbon deposits on a car fuel tank shell. This pulse laser cleaning machine causes very little damage to the car while effectively removing oil and carbon buildup. It uses pulse laser beams to physically react with the stains, generating heat that causes the oil to evaporate. This part shows cleaning carbon deposits from the surface of an aluminum auto part. The laser quickly removes the surface carbon buildup and leaves the material clean and smooth with minimal damage to the surface. It is suitable for cleaning metal parts. For different materials, it's important to choose the right laser cleaning machine. As times progress and technology develops, we have more and better cleaning options available.